Alright, y'all, we're at the Northside Gourmet Market. It's right here on North Avenue and Wickham Street in Richmond, Virginia. I have been trying to track down these Nightingale Ice Cream Sandwiches. So we're about to go in here and take a peek. Really pretty. Your regular snacks. Really nice in here. Really nice. Get your wines. Juices. Let's see. Oops, excuse me. Ooh. Nice wine selection. It's a rough day, but it's a really nice store. Really nice store.
You want to do some hood?
What did you say?
When you want to do some hood?
Yeah, that's my husband, y'all. But let's go to what I came here for. Okay, y'all, this is what I came here for. They have a bunch of the Nightingale Ice Cream Sandwiches flavors. Strawberry cheesecake flake shortcake. Here it is. So we're gonna get them and try them. So I got strawberry shortcake. I got 2 of them. That tells me everything I need to know when I eat them. Anything strawberry. We got chocolate French toast, and I think this is just a regular one. So we're gonna try them out when we get in the car. Alright, y'all, we just got the ice cream sandwiches. And now we're about to try them. I cannot wait. Alright, this is what they look like. Let me see your bit. Alright, you're about to open them up. It's a good cookie ice cream sandwich.
Damn good ice cream sandwich. I like my cookie to be a little softer though. But other than that, excellent. Creamy. Very good.
It was worth the fight to find. Alright, y'all. Babe was trying the what flavor?
Chocolate French roast.
Chocolate French roast. How is it? How does it taste?
Oh, it's delicious. If you love coffee, ice cream,
let me see.
You're definitely gonna love this one. And I'm a big coffee ice cream fan. The cookie part is chocolate, but the ice cream is a vanilla coffee ice cream. It's really good. My only complaint with these sandwiches is the cookie's not soft enough. Because I like, as you can see, when you bite it, you might take off a little bit more than you want. But other than that, delicious.
Yeah, I'm still working on my strawberry shortcake over here. I probably will put this in the freezer. It's a lot of sandwich. You probably can break it in half and eat, excuse me, and eat just a little bit at a time. But they're really good. I broke this part. Really good. we will be purchasing more.